How to turn off allow explicit content on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off allow explicit content on Spotify. First go to Spotify and now just click here on setting in top corner and then you need to find this one, allow explicit content. Just click on it to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again you need just to click on it, and as you see allow explicit content has been turned it off and on. And that's how turn off allow explicit content on Spotify. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.